আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। শরীফ অনলাইন ইংলিশের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের মাঝে আবারও হাজির হয়েছি। আমাদের সামনে আমাদের এক ছাত্র ভাই, মাদারিনেসার প্রথম বর্ষের ছাত্র। হিজ নেম ইজ মিস্টার রুনুমান। হি ইজ আ স্টুডেন্ট অফ মাদারিনেসা. He would like to say something about himself in English. Actually, he is a beginner learner and he is learning English, but he knows how to speak in English very well. But we are proud of him because he is a very excellent and very industrious student, and he always tries to speak in English. If he gets some time, always try to speak English.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, how are you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Present our honorable chief guest and a special guest and all audience. Take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I will try my best to talk about something according to my selected topic. But I will try my best to talk about something according to my selected topic. I must try to be a good speaker in English. Keep me in your prayers. Now I am going to introduce myself. I passed 2019 from Dhaka. I passed PSC 2019 from Dhaka. I studied for Madrasa of Global Education Institute Dhaka. My relation name is Islam. My name is Abdullah Al-Numan. My favorite colors are red and green, and my favorite clothes are Punjabi and cap. My height 5 feet. My height 5 feet 5 inches. This is my short introduction. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.